So you're tired of that boring, scary-looking black terminal and kind of scared to even use it? Well, wait till you see how I turn this into this. Let's jump right in. To make this tutorial super easy to follow, I'm doing everything inside a virtual machine so you can see the process from scratch. No messy configs, no confusion. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Only 4% of people have subscribed to my channel, so go grab your spot in that 4% fast. Before we get started, make sure you have JetBrains Mono Nerd Font. Why? Because without it, your terminal is basically stuck wearing thrift store fonts from 2009. All right, let's get cooking. Click the first link in the description. This will open my GitHub repo where I put all my config files. Open the terminal folder, then head to settings.json. From here, click this button to copy the code. Now open your terminal, hit that drop-down arrow and click on Settings. Then go to Open JSON File. Scroll all the way down, select everything, and delete it. Don't worry, nothing's gonna break. I got you, mate. After that, paste in the code you copied earlier and save the file using Ctrl+S. Now, if we open another tab, you'll see the theme has changed to Catppuccin Mocha, and the font is now JetBrains Mono Nerd Font. Next, check where your PowerShell profile is located using the $profile command. Press enter, and if you see something like this, you'll know where your profile is at. Just head to that location. If the folder is empty, like mine was, don't panic. Go back to your terminal and paste this code right here. I'll link it in the description. Press enter, and boom, a profile gets created. Now head to that location and you should see a Microsoft PowerShell folder. Open it and there should be a profile.ps1 file. Before touching anything, close File Explorer because we're about to do some crazy stuff. Don't worry, just stick with me and you'll be fine. Click the second link in the description and it will open the Fastfetch repo. This is the magic sauce that changes everything. Scroll down, copy the winget script, open your terminal, paste it in, and hit enter. Now, I already installed it before, which is why it says this, but for you, just let it run. Once it's installed, go back to my repo, open the Fastfetch folder, and download the config file and the ASCII art file. Now open File Explorer. Go to this PC, C drive, users, your username. Here, create a new folder called .config. Right-click it, hit Show More Options, Properties, take Hidden, and then Apply plus OK. If you can't see it, go to View, Show, Hidden Files. Inside .config, create a folder named Fastfetch. Open that, then in a new tab, go to where you downloaded the two files earlier. Cut them, come back, and paste them inside the Fastfetch folder. Now open the config file and change %username to your username. Mine is vboxuser. Save it. Now go back to your PowerShell profile folder. Open it and minimize File Explorer. Then go back to my repo again, open the PowerShell folder, and copy the code from this file. Open your profile.ps1 file, paste it in, replace %username with your username, save it, and close it. Now open a new tab in your terminal, and boom! That's how you turn your terminal from default Windows XP nightmares into something you'll actually want to use. Clean, shows off your system stats, and the best part, it's all customizable through one config file. It's basically like giving your terminal a haircut and a skincare routine. Now it's fresh, glowing, and won't scare away your friends. Go crazy with it. Change colors, plugins, fonts, make it look like you. And hey, if yours turns out cooler than mine, I'm not jealous. Okay, maybe just a little. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, drop a comment, share your setup, and hit that like button so my terminal doesn't go back to being bald.